Back on the Zero. I'm swapping out the oil pan. Yeah, GBS oil pan has some problems. So, and this was an ATR oil pan from Great British Sports Cars. I'm swapping it out because it has a tendency to slosh and lose oil pressure. It's not a particularly great design. This is from RaceLine in the UK. It's a much better design, has much better oil baffles, windage tray, the whole 9 yards. I'm doing some test fitting right now on the Zero. I'm gonna have to trim off this little bit of metal here and knock off this corner here. This interferes with the bell housing and the clutch, and this interferes with the slave cylinder from ATR. So take care of those with a bandsaw. Whizzed off the flange that was here, whizzed off the extension over here. It doesn't impinge into the pan, so fairly safe. This now clears the clutch slave cylinder. I had to hit the back end of it with a flap disc, take off about a mil and a half just for clearance and to be able to get the pan up in there with the engine in situ. But I think I'm good to go. I'll have to clean this up, assemble the rest of the parts of the pan, clean up the block, assemble the parts that go onto the block, and then slap it all together. This is a pain in the ass. Been going at it with a plastic scraper and some acetone. It's making pretty good headway.